चेंज हो गया है सर इसका तो कोडिंग सर इसको कोडिंग ऐसा नहीं होगा।
It is given that we have to complete the series. Since there are two options, two answers in an option for A 101, 205, and in the second also there are two options. So you have to understand that there is a series 5, 26, 17, 63, 37, 124 and 65, and there are two missing terms. You have to fill these missing terms. So this is a question of series in series. This is a question of series in series. So we have to find the series. There are two series in the question. Let me take it out. The first series is 7, 26, 63, 124 and the missing term. Here the second series is 5, 17, 37, 65, and so on. Okay. This is a question of a series in series. So I have separated two series from the given series. The first series is 7, 26, 63, 124 and the missing term. The second series is 5, 17, 37, 65 and the missing term. So let me see the pattern. How I got 7? 2 cube minus 1. Like this, if you get 8 minus 1, it is 7. Okay. The other term, let's check it. 3 cube minus 1. 27 minus 1, you will get 26. Now the next term is 4 cube minus 1. You get 64 minus 1, that is 63. The other term is 5 cube minus 1, that is 125 minus 1, you got 124. So therefore likewise the other term will be 6 cube minus 1. So it will be 2, 1, 6 minus 1, it will be 2, 1, 5. Okay, you got this series 2, 1, 5. Now you can write it over here is 2, 1, 5. You got the missing term of the first series. Now we will go with the second series. This is 5, 17, 37 and 65. Here in this series you can apply the formula for 2 square plus 1, that is 4 plus 1, it will become 5. The next term is even number, 4 square plus 1, that is 17. Next one is 6 square . 6 square plus 1, that is equal to 37. The other one is 8 square plus 1, that will become 65. Likewise, you will get 100 square plus 1. The answer will be 101. What is your answer? Your answer will be 101. So let me see the option. So in the first series, you got 215 and the other one is 215 and the other one is 2101. Unfortunately, we don't have that option. So I think it's 215 only. If you can correct this 205 as 215, then your answer will be C option. For question number 3, you will get C option. You understood what we have done? This is a question of series in a series. So we have to find how many series are there in a given series. So in this current question, there are two types of series: 7, 26, 63, 124 and all. And you have to find the other series 5, 17, 37 and 65. So the first series, the pattern follows like this, and for the second series the pattern follows like this. So you can calculate like this: 215 and 101. So if you make a small little mistake is there, you can write it down 205 as 215 and the second option is already there 101. So your answer will be 3. Okay, let's go with the next question. Here also we have to find the missing term in the given series. Let's write the series first. 8, 24, 16 space, comma 7, comma 14, comma 6, comma 18, comma 12, comma 5, 5 and 10. Okay, this is a series which is given in the question. Now, here in this question, you have to make a pair of 3. You have to make a pair of 3. Just make a pair of 3. Now, the middle term 24 is what? 24, you get 24 by adding these term, the other two term, remaining two term, you add, you got 24. Okay. Here what happened? Here what happened? The same thing happened. The middle term, that's it, 18, you have got from where? You got 18. Okay. See, what about this? 5. 5 is the middle term. We have got from where? We have subtracted 5 from the 10. Then you got this 5. First you have to add, then you have to subtract, you have to add, you have to subtract. What is the pattern? Add, subtract, then subtract. We want 7. How much number should be subtracted so that we can get 7? See, you subtract 7 from 14, you will get 7. So here the missing term will be 7. Your option will be again 4th C part. Clearly you got it? This was the series and you have to find the missing term in the series. So in the given series you have to make a pair of 3 terms. We have made a pair of 3 terms. The middle term is found by adding the other two. Here the middle term is found by subtracting the other two. Again the middle term is found by adding the other two, and here the middle term is found by subtracting the other two. Likewise, you have followed up add, subtract, add, subtract. Clear? Very easy question. You just need to consider it out what kind of a series it is. Okay, let's move on with the next series. Here in this question it is also asking complete the series. Let's write the series: 6, 7, 15, 46 and 185. This is the series. Okay. So I'll tell you the pattern, what the pattern this series is following. 6 into 1 plus 1, you got 7. 7 into 2 plus 1, you got 15. Likewise, 15 into 3 plus 1, you got 46. 46 into 4 plus 1, 185. Therefore, the next number will be 185 into 5 plus 1. It will become 926. Very easy, you got the pattern. So your answer will be what? D. Fifth, D part. We have done nothing, we have just multiplied with the 1, then we have multiplied with 2 and 3, here the digits are increasing and we have just added 1 in each and every number. Very easy, clear? Let us go with the next question. Now, you have to find the next term in the series. Here it is already a group of 3. Now I have to find the term similar like this. I will write it like this: A, D, H, M, S and what? This is the word which I want. I will break this series again: B, G, M, T, B. This is the second series. The third one is D, K, S, B, L. Okay. I have break this question into 3 series: A, D, H, M, S. The second one is B, G, M, T, B. The last one is D, K, S, B, L. Okay. Let us find what will be the next term. How you will find in these types of question, there is a coding for each and every alphabet. For example, if A is written, you have to write here as 1, B is written, you have to write it for 2, for C is written likewise 3 up to Z. Z can be written as 26. You have to use this type of coding for this to solve this types of series. A is coded at 1, B is coded as 2, C is coded as 3, D is coded as 4 and so on up to Z. Z is coded as 26. Okay, let us start. Now if A is coded as 1, then D will be coded as 4, H will be coded as 8, M will be coded as 13, S will be coded as 19. Clear? You don't have to learn all these things, you just need to write it down on a piece of a paper, or when you are going for your exam, you can write it somewhere and you can compare at that time. If you learn, it's very good. If you don't learn, you can just check it out from there. Okay. For B, it's 2. For G, it's 7. Again, it's 13. T is 20. And B is 2. Now, D is 4. K is 11. S is 19. B is 2. Again, L is 12. See, I have done nothing, I have just break the series and I have written the code of that alphabet. Okay. Now let me see what is the pattern going on. If I subtract, I got 3, if I subtract, I got 4, if I subtract, I got 5, if I subtract, I got 6. Clear? The next, what it should be? 7. There has to be a difference of 7 alphabets. Clear? From the difference from the first and second, there is 3, from the second and third there is 4 and so on, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after S, S is 19, 19 you add 7, you get 26. So Z is coded as 26. So my first letter I got is at Z. Clear? Now let me go with the next series. Here if I subtract 2 with 5, I got 5, this is 6, this is 7 and this is 8. I will tell you how. If you add 6 to 20, it will become 26, but after Z, the cycle is repeated once more. That means plus 2, that is A and B. So you will get B. Just see the difference. 5, 6, 7, 8 and the other will be obviously 9. So what will be later? 2 plus 9 you will get, and 11, 11 is coded as what? K. Clear? It is coded as what? K. Now in the third question, D is coded as 4, K as 11, S as 19, B as 12. Now here what is the difference? here it is 7, here it is 8, again here it is 9. I will tell you how. 19 plus 7 you will add, you will again come up to Z, plus 2 you will get B. Here it is 10 and here it has to be 11. So 12 plus 11, it will become 23, and 23 is what? W. Z K W. There I got the answer. This is the answer. To complete the series, the next word within the next Z K W. Here you got the answer, 6th B part. Clear? Very easy. You have to break this series into 3 parts and you have to just decode, or you just write the code of this letter, 1 A as 1, D as 4 and so on. After decoding, I have just find the difference between the numbers which are written over there, and you have to just follow the pattern. Here it was 3, it was 4, it was 5, it was 6, it was 7. The next one will be 7. Likewise. I hope it's clear. Very easy question. Very small tricks are there. Just practice these tricks. It will be very helpful for your exams. Okay. The next one is like this, all the similar one. I'll break again this series as C, F, and this is I. C, F and I. The other one is 4, 9, 16. The last one is X, U and R. X, U and R. Okay. C is coded as 3, F is coded at 6, I is coded as 9, X is coded as 24, U is coded as 21, R is coded as 18. Likewise, the previous question, here we have written the numbers over these alphabets. If C is there, you have to write 3. If F is there, 6, I is 9. Now let's check the difference. Here the difference between these two is 3, here also 3. So what will be the next? It will be 12. 12. So 12 is coded as L. I got the first letter. 12 is coded as L. Okay. Now in the second, it is the square, as everyone can see, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, it will be 5 square, that is 25. Okay. Let us see what is going on here. It is decreasing by 3. It is decreasing by 3. It has to decrease by 3. If it is decreased by 3, the value will be 15. And 15 is coded as what? Oh. So I'll combine, to get the answer L 25. This is the answer for this question. And where is the option? B is the option. Your option for this question is B. Clear? This was the same question like the previous one. In previous one, let us see the previous one. In this also we have first decoded or coded. Then in this also we have written C as 3, F as 6, I as 9 and likewise. Okay, very easy questions, very easy. Once you practice, you will know everything what you should do in the question. Okay. Let's go to the next type of question. You have to complete the series. What it is written? Let me write A, B, space C, space D, A, space B, space C, then 3 times of D. This is the series given in the question. There is no trick to solve such type of question. You have to check it from the option. You have to just check it from the options. This is the very easy question. So I will tell you how to solve this. See, there are 2 A's. So there has to be 2 B's. 2 C is already there. So D has to be also 2. Clear? There is 2 A. So B has to be in pair. C also has to be 2. and D also has to be 2. Next, here B is 3, so A has to be 3, B 3, then C has to be 3. What is the answer? B, D, C. The answer is B, D, A, C. Just check from the option. If you are finding or you find a sequence, if that is there, your answer will be correct. From this question, question number 8, the answer will be D. Clear? Very easy. Let's move on with the next question. Okay. This is the question in which we have to find which does not fit. Underline this word, does not fit. If you miss this word not fit, you will not get the answer. Okay, let me write the series again. 905, 180, 175, 35, 30, 6, 1. This is the series which is given in the question. Now, you have to find the term which is not fit in the series. Okay. So, this is a very big number. So, I will start from here. I will find the difference. First, this is 5. Here the difference is 5. Now, how I will get 30? We multiply it with, divide it with 5. Okay. Then again you add plus 1, plus 5. Then you again, if you divide it, you will get 5. Clear? Again you add it, plus 5. But if you divide it, you will not get 5 right now. No. See the pattern. The number is divided by the next number, you will get 5, and then it is subtracted the same number, 5. Again you have to divide it, you will get 5, you have to subtract it. You will divide, you will get 5, subtract, divide, subtract. But instead of 905, what it should be? It has to be 900. Then the series will be okay. So, what is the number which does not fit here is 905. Your option will become D. Clear? What we are doing in this question? Nothing. You just follow, just see the pattern, just practice. The more you practice, the more you learn. I have practiced so many times, that's why I know what to do in these types of questions. Your approach is very important. Be clear in your approach. Okay. So, this is the question, question number 9. It's very easy. I have divided. You see the pattern, you solve like this. Okay. Let's move on with the next question. Okay. If the given series is written in the reverse order, if we have to write the given series is not reversed. If the given series is written in the reverse order, then we have to find the number which will be the fourth to the right of the 7th number from the left. Okay, good question. Very easy question, but good question, because it's so confusing. If you read for the first time, you might not get the clear picture, but just do as it is saying. The question is saying, if the given series is written in the reverse order, write the series first. 7, 3, 9, 7, 0, 3, 8, 4, 6, 2, 2, 1, 0, 5, 11, 13. This is the given series. This is the given series. Now you will reverse it. Reverse it. What you will get? 13, 11, 5, 0, 1, 2, 6, 4, 8, 3, 0, 7, 9, 3, 7. Now this is the given series, and I have just reversed the given series according to the question. If the given series is written in the reverse order. Now come to the question. which number will be the fourth to the right of the seventh number from the left? This is my left. Okay, we'll start from here. Seventh number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. This is the seventh number from the left. This is the seventh number from the left. Clear? Now the question is asking which number will be the fourth to the right of the seventh number. Since this is the number, and here if we go, you will go in right direction. If we go here, we will go in the left direction. So what will be the fourth number from the seventh number? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth number. This is the fourth number. Your answer will be 0. Got it? Very easy. Here in this question the series is given and you just have to reverse the series and you have to do as according to the question. Just follow the question what it is saying. Okay, so your answer will be 0 according to the question here 10th A part. Clear? Any doubt till now? So let's have a quick revision of these 10 questions what I have done. This was the first question. In this question there was a 8 was added, then again minus 6 was subtracted, then again it was added, it was subtracted. So the sequence was plus 8, minus 6, plus 8 and minus 6. You have to follow the sequence and you just find the number. Okay. The second one, you have to find the wrong term in the series. So the pattern was square the number, subtract 1, square the number, subtract 1, square the number, subtract 1. Okay, then you find that it has to be 35, but instead of 35 it was 34. So you find the wrong term. Now in this series, as there were two options, so I could easily get it was a series in a series question. There are two types of series in a given question, so I have written two series. Now individually I find the values and I have just put it the answer. There was a mistake in the option, so there is a correction. Make it as 215. So C will be the answer for that. It's a good question, very good question. Okay. Next is the find the missing term in the series. In this type of series we have made a pattern of 3. We have grouped 3 in a 1, make a grouping of 3, then you see the difference. Here the middle term was found by adding the other 2, and then next the middle term was found by subtracting the other 2. Again the middle term was found by adding the other 2, again the middle term was found by subtracting the other 2. So this was the pattern which we found and we have completed this. Okay, very easy question. The next one, you have to complete the series. This was the pattern 6 into 1 and plus 1. Just multiply the number by increasing the digit plus 1. 6 into 1 plus 1, 7 into 2 plus 1 likewise, and the last one is 926. Clear? Very easy questions. Now this was, I would prefer, it is a good question. Again there are 3 types of series. Find the pattern, take the difference, write the number, corresponding number of that alphabet, identify the series and write the letters. I found Z, K and W. Clear? Easy questions. Next we will, it was like the same as the similar one, previous one. So C4X 9F9U I16R. Again 3 types of series are there. I have found LU, L25O. This was the answer for this question. Clear? This types of series you have to sort it from the options only. Just fit the option first. If it is making any sense, then it's okay. Otherwise switch to the next option. You will find someone there. Okay. Now in this question we have to find that which does not fit in the series. So we have done this. If you divide the number, you will get 5 and subtract 5 from the same number. Again this is the pattern, divide and subtract, divide and subtract, divide and subtract. You will get 5 every time. Subtract 5, divide with 5, you will get 5. The last one was, it's a very good question and then a very confusing one, but still we have to reverse the series and you have to find the number 7th from the left. You have to find the number, then you have to write fourth letter of the right, you got 0. This was the number. So series part we have completed. I hope you have understand each and every question and the approach towards the question, how you will approaching towards the new questions. So let's get on with the next topic, coding and decoding. This is how letters are coded and decoded. See, A can be coded as 1 also, A can be coded as 26 also. If you want to take it in a reverse direction, forward direction A will be as 1, B 2, likewise C3, D4, G7, H8 like that till Z, Z will be as 26. But if you want to put it in a reverse order, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 like this. If you can learn it, otherwise you no need to learn it, you just can write it down anywhere in a piece of a paper before going into the examination. It's okay, it's no need to learn this. Don't waste time in learning and all. So in some of the books and some of the question, it is also word opposites are also given. So whenever the question will come, I'll tell you what are these word opposites. So let's solve the first question. In a certain language, Chennai is coded as D, G, F, M, O, Z, J. Let's write it down. Chennai, CHE, double N, A, I. CHE, double N, A, I. Okay. Chennai is coded as what? D. It is coded as G. E is coded as F. N is coded as M. Again N is coded as O. A is coded as Z, I, J. Okay. Now here in this it is plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, clear? What is the pattern? Plus 1 then minus 1, plus 1 then minus 1, plus 1 then minus 1. This is the pattern. Got the pattern? Now this we will apply in Mumbai. Start with plus 1, you will get N, minus 1, you will get T, again plus 1, you will get N, subtract plus minus 1, you will get A, you will add 1, subtract 1, you will get this. N, T, N, A, B, H. Your the option will become what? The first one. N, T, N, A, B, H. Clear? In a certain language, the Chennai was coded as this. We have found the pattern over here and we have applied the same formula, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. Clear? Very easy, coding and decoding. Follow the pattern, write the next alphabet. Okay. Let's move on with the next question. Here in this question it is given that EAT is equal to 26. Clear? How you are getting? E is coded as 5, A is 1 and T as 20. If you add this number you will get 26. Similarly, Z is 26 plus 5 plus 1 plus 12. You will get this as 44. You will get this as 44. Okay. Now next one, aroma. A is 1, R is 18, O is 15, M is 13 plus 1. You will get what? 48. These are given in the question also. If you add these, you will get 48. If you will add this, you will get 44. You will add this, you will get 26. Similarly, you have to find what? Helmet. H-E-L-M-E-T. Helmet. Likewise, you have to write this also. Okay, H is 8 plus E is 5, L is 12, M is 13, E is 5 plus 20. On adding, you will get what? You will get 63. You will get 63. Clear? Follow the pattern and you have to just write it down. Okay. So your answer will what? Question number 2, B part. Clear? We have done nothing in this question. It was coded as 26, zeal was coded as 44, aroma was coded as 48. Now you have to code the helmet in the same way. Let's go with the third question. Here, see, I'll write carom is coded as MORRAC. See, just reverse the order. You will get the answer. Here you just need to reverse the answer, reverse the given question and you will get the answer. Now, here it is written TIBBAR, just reverse it. RABBINT. Clear? Just reverse this. You got the rabbit. Where is rabbit? Your option will be B part. Very easy. It's if it is placed in front of a mirror, it will just like a mirror image, or the distance between will be same, just like that. Just reverse the order. You can write it down. Learn like this. Don't go with the images and all. Okay. Now here comes the next question. Now, image is written as what? I is coded as 9, M is coded as 13, A is coded as 1, G is coded as 7, E is coded as 5. But in the question it is given that it is coded somewhat different like this. Now again reverse the order. 5, 7, 1, 3, 1, 9. Now you got the correct coding of the image. Once you have just reversed the order, now you got the correct coding of image. Likewise, you have to code small. Okay. For S, you can write it down 9, M is 13, A is 1, L is 12, this is also 12. Clear? Now, you have what you have to do? Just reverse the order. 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 9, 1. 3, 1, 9, 1. So where is the answer? This one is the answer. 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 9. Okay. So your option will become what? Fourth, first part. Clear? Very, very easy questions. Just need to follow the trend. What is the trend going on in the given in the question? Likewise, you have to code or decode the other one. Okay. Let's go with the next question, which is the fifth question. Here it is written that green is coded as white. Green is coded or called as white. Okay. Yellow is called as red. Okay. White is called as yellow and red is called as orange. Red is called as orange. It is given in the question that green is called as white, white is called as yellow, yellow is called as red, and red is called as orange. Now the question is that then which of the following will represents the color of the sunflower? You have to find in this question that which of this color will represent the color of a sunflower. Everybody knows the color of a sunflower is yellow. The color of a sunflower is yellow. But here in this question, yellow is called as red. Yellow is called as red. It is given in the question, yellow is called as red. So here yellow is called as red. So your answer will be red. That is 4/5 first part. Clear? Yellow is called as red. Very easy questions. You have to do like this. Okay. So here we have also completed coding and decoding. We have first started with the series. There are so many types of series, and then we have completed coding and decoding. Now we will go to the direction senses. Okay. These are very easy. You should know first where is north, north, south, east and west. Okay, these are the directions which you must be knowing. These are very easy questions. This is the easiest question which you will get in any of the examination. For CSAT you will get very easy questions regarding this. Okay. Now just follow the instruction what the question is saying. You don't have to do anything else. See, Gaurav walks 20 meter towards north. Suppose he is standing there and he has walked. Suppose he has walked how much? 20 meters towards north. Okay. 20 meters towards north. Now he is facing this way. He then turns left and walk 40 meter. Okay. He has taken left and walked how many meter? 40 meter. Clear? Again, after taking a left turn and walking 40 meter, he is taking it again left turn, turns left and walk 20 meter. So this is 20 meter. Now this time he is facing here. Clear? Now he is facing here. Further he moves 20 meter after turning to right. Now he is taking a right turn and going 20 meter over here. This is the initial position. This is the final position. Okay. How far he is from the original position? The question is asking that how far he is from the original position. You just have to add these values, 40 meter over here and 20 meter over here. The answer will be 60 meter. Very easy. Your option will become what? B part. Okay. Let's go with the next topic. Next question. Since P is 300 km eastward of A and Q is 400 km north of O. So both the positions are given with respect to what? O. Let us say O is a point. Okay. P is eastward. Where is east? Let's go over here. Where is east? Go here. How many meter? 300 km from the position O. Okay. P. And where is Q? Q is 40 km north of O. So this is 400 km, sorry. This is 400 km north of O. Now, these are the two positions. What is the position? This is Q and this is P. P is towards east, P is towards east and Q is towards north. since R is exactly in the middle of Q and P, okay, draw this line Q and P, just draw this line QP, and R is exactly in between this. R is exactly in the middle of Q and P. You have to find the distance between Q and R. Okay. Actually, this is a question from a Pythagoras theorem, and it is applicable for a right angle triangle. A triangle which is having one angle as 90 degrees is called as right angle triangle. So, I will tell you one more thing about right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Here the angle is 90. This is the hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular, and this is the base. So, for in any right angle triangle, we apply Pythagoras theorem. We apply Pythagoras theorem. What is this Pythagoras theorem? States that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Like h will become what? Under root p square plus b square. Clear? It's very easy. Hypotenuse, this is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now apply in this. Here in this question, by applying a Pythagoras theorem, I will get the value of QP. This is hypotenuse. Write it down, under root square of 400. 400 square plus 300 square. You will get what? Under root of 1600 plus 900. You will get under root 2500. The value comes out to be 500 kilometer. So, the distance between QP is 500 kilometer. But here in this question, it is asking that R is exactly in between, in the middle of Q and P. Find the distance between QR. Therefore, the distance will be half of 500. The distance will be half of 500. You will get what? 250 kilometer. Got it? Very easy question. Apply Pythagoras theorem, get the value of QP and divide it by 2. You will get the value of Q and R. So, value is 250. Now, where is the option? Here is the option. First part. Okay. Let us proceed with the next one. Now, since Kailash is facing towards north, okay, somewhere here is Kailash, he is facing towards north and he is taking a right turn. He walks 25 kilometer, okay, he is taking a turn of distance of 25 kilometer. Then he turns left and walks 30 meters, sorry, it's not kilometers, meter, okay. It is going somewhere in 30 meter. It is not kilometer, it is meter. Okay, 30 meter. He has taken turn like this. Now he moves 25 meter to his right. Okay, this is the value where comes out to be 25 meter. Then again he turns and take a right turn and walks 55 meter. Okay, somewhere here in between. He is going and he is taking value as 55 meter. Finally, he turns to the right and moves 40 meter. Okay, somewhere here 40 meter. This is the initial position of Kailash and this is the final position of Kailash. Let us see once more. Kailash was facing towards north. He turned to its right and walked 25 meter. Okay, this completed. Again he turned, this time he is facing this way. Now he will turn to his left and walk 30 meter. Then again he moves 25 meter to his right. Again he is going here. He has covered 25 meter. Now he is facing this side. Now he turns to the right again and walks 55 meter. Now from here to point here. Now when he is standing, he finally turns to the right and moves 40 meter again. In which direction he is now from his starting point? The question has asked that Kailash is facing in which direction from his starting point. This is the starting point and this is the ending point. Now, In directions, you know, this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. If there is any direction in somewhere in between, it will call as southeast. If somewhere in between, this is north, east, this will be northwest, and this will be southwest. So the Kailash is facing almost like a southeast direction. Clear? Somewhere in southeast direction. So according to the question, your answer will become what? D part. Clear? Very easy. The question is big, but the solution is very easy. Okay. Let's go to the fourth question. It is given in this question that the length and the breadth of a room are 8 meter and 6 meter respectively. The length of the question is 8 meter, the length of and the breadth is 6 meter. A cat runs along all the 4 walls and finally along the diagonal, underline this word diagonal, in order to catch a rat. A cat was chasing a rat and he ran all over the boundary and one of the diagonal. Find the total distance covered by the cat. Okay. Let us assume there is a room like this. The length of the room is 8 meter, this is 6 meter, again this is 8 meter and this is 6 meter. It is given the cat runs along all the 4 walls, means cat is running from A to B, then B to C and C to D and again C D to A. And then finally along the diagonal in order to catch the rat. Okay, this is the diagonal. Here the diagonal is AC. This is the diagonal. Here this is the diagonal. And from the properties of rectangle, this angle is also 90 degree. So you can apply Pythagoras theorem to find the value of AC. First you will find the value of AC. AC will be equal to under root 8 square plus 6 square. AC will be under root 64 plus 36. Then AC will be under root 100. Now when it comes out of the root, you will get 100. 10 into 10, AC will become 10. Okay. Clear? The value of AC, that is the diagonals, comes out to be what? 10. Now find the total distance covered by the cat. What you have to find? You have to find the total distance which is covered by the cat. Okay. The cat starts from A to B, B to C, C to D, then D to A and again from A to C. Okay, just write it down. 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6. This is the distance which is covered along the 4 walls plus the diagonal. Plus the diagonal. Clear what it is? 14 and 14. Your answer will what? 38. Clear? Your answer will be what? 38. So here the answer will be 4th C part. Very easy questions. Just follow as the question is saying. These are simple questions, but you should know what is a diagonal and what is a Pythagoras theorem. If you don't know what is a diagonal, how you will solve this question? For a diagonal will be, there are 2 diagonals, but since we have started from here, then that is why I have made this diagonal like this. There is one more diagonal, but we are not considering this diagonal. Clear? The answer will be 38. Okay. Let's move on with the next question. Now, this star is degree, as 45 degree. A man is facing west. A man is facing west. Okay. These are the directions. North, south, east and west. These are the directions. A man is facing west. He turns 45 degree in the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction in which the clock is moving. That is, this is the clockwise direction. This is the clockwise direction. And this will be the anti-clockwise direction. This will be the opposite of this. This will be anti-clockwise. This will be the clockwise and this will be the anti-clockwise direction. Here in the question it is given that he turns 45 degree in the clockwise direction, then 180 degree in the same direction. Same direction means he is again takes a turns of 180 degree in the clockwise direction also. Then he takes 270 degree in an anti-clockwise direction. Which direction he is facing now? Okay, let's proceed with the question. I make this. He was facing towards west. He makes an angle of 45 degree around like this in an clockwise direction. In a clockwise direction. He further 180 degree in the same direction. This will be the straight line. This angle will be 180 degree. Okay, he comes here somewhere around here. Now he takes a 270 degree in an anti-clockwise direction. Okay, again I reverse it with in an anti-clockwise direction. That means he has completed 180. Then you have to cover how much more? 90 more. You have to cover 90 more. See, the angle between this here is 90 degree. So he is covering from here to here. He will come from here to here. He will come from here to here. This is north, south, east, west. Which is direction is facing? Southwest. Southwest. See, very easy question. Your option will become what? D. The man was facing towards west. He turned 45 degree. This is the 45 degree in clockwise direction, and again he further turned 180 degree in the same direction. So here now its position is new position is there. Now from this position he is taking 270 degree in an anti-clockwise direction. Now here it is 180 plus 90. Since this is 40, this is 40, the total angle will be what? 90 degree. So his position will be where? Southwest. Okay, so this was all about for the today's session. I hope that it was very benefited for you. So before ending this session, I would like to tell you that your approach towards question is very important. There are so many ways to solve a certain question, but try to find the best possible way to solve the question. In any question, if you can save 5 to 10 seconds, that means you will get more opportunity to solve more number of questions, and your chances of selection will